Hello, good afternoon. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Diputulina. You can call me Lina. I'm from evening class. Today I would like to telling about local food and legend of Bali. Bali is one of the most popular tourist destination. Many tourist attractions are served, especially the beaches, was exotic has been recognized at the world. Not only beaches, Bali has also a unique tradition and culture that has a success for in attraction visitor to come. A trip to Bali would be incomplete without tasting its various culinary delights. For example, is nasi ayam kedewatan Bu Mangku has been the operation since of the menu over here is only one, namely the kedewatan chicken rice. So you will note the border choosing the menu. The hallmark here is the to choose of dishes we serve with Balinese spices, which almost always use coconut and kencur. Portion of Ibu Mangku nasi ayam kedewatan usually contains shredded chicken, dry fried chicken, fried peanut, vegetable wrap, and Penang eggs satay wrap, plus a chili sauce and fried chicken skin, which adds to the enjoyment. For Muslim, pork is an animal that is forbidden to eat, but not with Hindus. Even babi guling is one of the mandatory food served in religious celebration. Babi guling is served without being cut into pieces. Balinese society is dominated by Hindus, and the babi guling is one of part of the tradition that also strengthens the religious beliefs of Balinese people. Babi guling is used as offering in traditional celebration. Babi guling is interpreted as a symbol of asking of blessings, meaning the bringer of prosperity. It's also a form of gratitude to the god. It's also a form of the babi guling which is used on offering. It is a fillet with banana leaves. Then the anus is filled with rice. This means that from something simple will become something useful. Then the pork belly will be taken. Then the leaves will be wrapped around the neck, and 2 pieces of kepeng money will be hugged around the neck. It means sincerity. Babi guling has been recorded as intangible since 1011. Generally, babi guling was used as an offering of traditional ceremonies and religious events. Even the babi guling in the daily rituals of Balinese Hindus has become a tradition that has been passed down strong roots. But now, pork babi guling into the daily diet. In fact, there are many food stalls, restaurants, and hotels that serve babi guling menus. Bali has a rich and diverse culinary scenes. Even its region in Bali has a starting from hippie meals to snack that can be used as a friend to chime in with a coffee or tea in the afternoon. The snacks sold by this trader are also the cheap and do not drain the contents of the pocket. You can get a jajo Bali in traditional market. Jajo or jajalaklak is a first glance similar to surabi, but the taste is of course much different. This traditional Balinese snack can be served for coffee or tea in the afternoon. Second, this is a jaja sumping. Is cake made of a rice flour contains various filling in it, according to taste of the maker. And then the dough is wrapped in banana leaves, shaved like a phyllo, then simmered. Sumping is usually served when holding a party, both a wedding reception, tooth cutting, mutual corporation, traditional ceremonies, and the others. Third, this kaliadram is the traditional cake in addition to being enjoyed every day. This cake is usually widely rated as one of the complimentary dishes at the Galungan Day ceremony. Jaja cerorot is one of typical Balinese snack which also getting rare. This cake is usually served if we attend weddings or Thanksgiving and the others. This snack is a unique snack. This snack resembles long funnel-like binocular or an ice cream cone from junior leaves or coconut that is still white. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Pura Pusah and Batuan Temple Village has a very long historical journey, and they are and sit rarely from the prehistoric time to the arrival of the influence of the Hindus culture to Bali makes the natural stones in this temple a place of worship, both an sectors and to worship God of Hinduism. There are many culture heretics building in Bali. Their extension is closely related to the history and life of the Balinese people. It is stated in an inscription that a Pusah Batuan Temple was built around Sakayar. It is stated in an inscription that Pusah Batuan Temple village was built around Sakayar of 944 during the reign of King Paduka Sri Aji Sri Dharma Wangsa Wardana of the Warmadewa dynasty. Relics of ancient buildings that still background that is almost 1,000 years old and has high artists value the vibration of the magical aura is a very pronounced for a people who first the spiritual world. And unique things, this makes a Pura Pusades Temple is a special temple for tourists. The ornaments of the temple building are very thick with a Balinese carving with a basic material made of red bricks both the gate and the temple. For a while to the inside of the temple, the physical form of the building looks old but still solid and has historical value. My advice is a tourist attraction in Bali that you should not miss to visit. The first is Tirta Empul Temple, Tampak Siring. At the Tirta Empul Temple, tourist spot beside, you can see the beauty of the temple architecture. You will also see uniques of the Tirta Empul Temple that you don't find in other temple location in Bali. Inside the Tirta Empul area, there is a full of water that comes from a natural spring. This pool is believed by Hinduism as a place of purify themselves by bathing. If you want to see the crowds of Hindus purify themselves in the pool of the Tirta Empul Temple, I suggest you visit the Tirta Empul Temple in the afternoon before the full moon. Both Beratan Lakes have the main attraction, namely the view of the temple in the middle of lake. The name of the temple in the middle of the lake is Pura Ulandanu Beratan Bedugul III Kelingking Beach. Located on West Nusa Penida Island, Kelingking Beach is one of the popular tourist destinations that gets the attention of tourists, both local and foreigners. Naturally, this beach does have an amazing, beautiful view. Not only present tempting white sandy beach area, but also the vast ocean that can be seen from the ship top area. The blue color of the sea is dazzling. Big waves are roaring in the distance. On the beach is the shape of the little finger. It will add to the exoticism of this place. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived at the rafting, Graha rafting, because the weather is not very super type. Follow the guides are there because the road is slippery. Sorry, Mrs. Linda. One of your guides slipped and sprained it. He's like, alright, Mr. Made. Thanks for information. I will meet my guys. Excuse me, Mrs. Ayu. Can your legs walk, or I will to help him to bring stretchings to help you to the healthy pose for further examination. Oh, alright. Thank you, Mrs. Linda. I can still walk. Okay, Mrs. Ayu. Let me help you toward the health pose for. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Berto Group, please continue the activity with the guide, Mr. Made. I will take a Mrs. Ayu to the healthy pose. Alright, thank you for the watching and see you goodbye and good afternoon.